As the Honorable Minister to proceed with interpretation regarding the resolution and the articles of this.
I have one last topic on this, which is for the sake of the dynamic of Congress. Is it true or not true that those who vote against the impeachment will lose benefits for their vote? So that before we cast our vote, we will know whether doing so will result in us losing our benefits or not.
Mr. Speaker, may I recognize once more Majority Leader. Mr. Speaker, on behalf of the House, we categorically deny any such allegations, and we would like to thank the Honorable Gaza for his pursuit of accountability and transparency.
Honorable, thank you for putting it on the
Honorable
record.
Gaza,
Mr.
your
Chair,
time is up. I give you one last
no
question.
one should lose their benefits for their vote today. And lastly, I would like to ask if the House Committee on Accounts and the DBM can release all data on the budgetary releases for MOOE or for infrastructure or any other budget so that we can ascertain whether it is true or not what Senator Aimee Marcos said. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Majority Leader, thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there being no other member to interpret, to sponsor or make any manifestation, I move to adopt House Resolution number 989 together with the findings, conclusions, and recommendations contained in Committee Report number 261, and for this purpose, direct the Secretary General to call the roll of members for nominal voting. The Secretary General is hereby directed to call the roll of members for nominal voting. The Chair reminds all members that the House is now in process of voting, and pursuant to the rules, the voting process shall not be interrupted at any other business or question. Members who wish to explain their vote shall be recognized after the announcement of the result and shall be allotted 3 minutes each for such purpose. Secretary General, conduct the nominal voting.
All members, Abalos, Abante, Isidre, Apo, Acosta, Adyong, Advincula, Agrao, Agyao, Alano, Alba, Albano, Almario Chino Manuel, Almario Dennis, Almonte, Alvarez Jose, Alvarez Mercedes, Amante, Amato, Angara, Angeles, Aquino Magsaysay, Ardison Munir, Ardison Munir Jr., Arenas, Arrogancia, Asistio, Ataide, Aumentado, Ayon, Bacao,